Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. We have a third lecture to find out the derivative by using first principle of algebraic functions. Here, f of x, it is given to you 3x cubed minus x. We have to find out its derivative by using first principle there. So first we have to find out f of a. We have to put x is equals to a. We have to put x is equals to a. So this is x is equals to a. We have to put the value of x is equals to a in the whole algebraic function there. Now we have to use the formula here, that is f prime equals to f of x is equals to, that is limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. So the value of x is 3x cubed minus x and the value of a is 3a cubed minus a. Just we have to put their value here. That is 3x cubed minus x. This is the value of f of x. Minus the value of f of a, that is 3a cubed minus a divided by x minus a, here with the limit x tends to a, it is given to you f prime x. This is the value of f of x and this is the value of f of a. Now we have to open the bracket with the negative sign. 3x cubed minus x minus 3a cubed and plus a divided by x minus a. Remember that first we have to simplify the question and then we have to apply the limit. So we have to rearrange this one. Just open the bracket with the negative sign. Now we are going to rearrange them. 3x cubed minus 3a cubed minus x plus a whole divided by x minus a. Take out 3 common here. So this is limit x tends to a, 3 common, x cubed minus a cubed, take out minus common here, that will be x minus a, because we have to take out the negative sign common, so this minus, minus plus or minus plus minus. Here we have to use a cube minus b cube formula. It is equals to a cube minus b cube, that is equals to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So we have to use this formula on this x cube minus a cube here. So this is limit x tends to a, that is a minus b means x minus a, x square plus xa plus a square. Just we have to apply the formula. Now we have to take out x minus a common, x minus a common here. So this is limit x tends to a, x minus a common. So here 3 times x square xa plus a square minus 1, because we have to take out x minus a common from the whole numerator. So this is x minus a will cancel out to this one and just here, so this is x tends to a, limit x tends to a 3 times x square plus xa plus a square minus 1. Now we have to apply the limit here. X tends to a, so we have to put the value of x is equals to a. So this is a square, a into a and plus a square. Here x is equals to a, x is equal to a, and this a multiplied by with a square. So this is a square and a square. So this is 3a square minus 1. 3 3s are 9. 9a square minus 1. Now we have to put the value f of a is equals to x because we have to find out f of x here. So this is 9x square minus 1. This is the answer of this question, 3x cube minus x, that is 9x square minus 1. We have to use the method to find out the derivative by using first principle on algebraic function. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Irfan. Allah Hafiz.